In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell sport bottles with Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a great opportunity to create custom and unique sport bottles that people will love using during their workouts, hikes, or just day-to-day hydration. To begin, let's talk about what Printify is and how it can help you in your journey. Printify is a print-on-demand service, which means you can create designs for products, like our sport bottles, without having to hold any inventory. This is fantastic because it eliminates a lot of the hassle of traditional retail, allowing you to focus on your designs and marketing. Now, the first step to selling sport bottles is to set up an account on Printify. Head over to their website and you'll find a user-friendly sign-up option. You can register using your email or even through your existing social media accounts. Once you're in, you'll have access to their extensive catalog of products, which includes the sport bottles we want to sell. Now that you're signed up, let's navigate to the product catalog. You'll see various categories, including apparel, accessories, and, of course, drinkware. Look for the section dedicated to bottles. Printify offers a variety of options in terms of sizes, colors, and materials, so take a moment to review what's available. Pick the sport bottle that resonates most with your vision. Once you've chosen a bottle, it's time to start designing. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Click on the product, and you'll be taken to the Design tool. Here, you can upload your graphics or artwork. If you don't have your own designs yet, consider using design software like Canva, which is easy to use and has plenty of templates to brainstorm ideas. Remember to keep the target market in mind. Think about what colors, styles, or themes they might prefer. When you're happy with your design, preview it to see how it looks on the bottle. Double-check that everything is aligned correctly and that the colors pop. Once you're satisfied, it's time to save your design. You'll want to provide a catchy product name and a compelling description to entice potential buyers. Next up, we need to set up pricing. Printify allows you to choose your own retail price over their base cost. Research similar products online to get an idea of competitive pricing. Remember, you want to cover your costs while still appealing to your customers. After that, let's move on to your online store. If you don't already have one, you need a platform to start selling your products. Integrating Printify with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce is straightforward and can easily be done through Printify's dashboard. Just follow the guided steps to connect your account. Once your store is set up and your sport bottles are listed, it's time to bring in customers. Marketing can be a crucial part of selling your product. Create eye-catching social media posts showcasing your bottles. Instagram and Facebook are great for visual products, so consider posting pictures or videos of your bottles in action, perhaps someone using them during a workout or out on a hike. Engagement is key. Don't forget to respond to comments and interact with your followers. This will help build a community around your brand. You could also think about running promotions or giveaways to boost your visibility and encourage more sales. Finally, keep track of your sales and gather feedback from your customers. This can help you improve your designs and product offerings in the future. Check back in with your store regularly to manage orders, make adjustments, and even introduce new designs based on customer interest. And that's it! You're now ready to sell sport bottles using Printify. Remember, it's all about creativity, connection, and consistency. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more great content. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!